Let's tour this two-story single-family home in Lawrenceville, Georgia. This one has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,621 square feet. The house is built in 1984. The lot is 0.33 acre. The exterior looks pretty sharp. It looks like it has new paint on the siding, newer 3-dimensional roof shingles. Huge lot. Front faces the south. Listing price is very attractive. The asking price is $274,000. And the advertisement says it needs a little of tender loving care, but that's just the best way to describe houses that needs a lot of work. So let's find out. First, work around the house. Looks like it has wood siding. So on the side, the board looks okay, but not as good as in the front yard. Fully fenced backyard. Now to the right with the neighbor, it has the chain link fence. Now in the back, it has a lot of big mature trees. That's why you don't have any lawn growing on the ground. There's a big pile of limbs in the middle, and also all the falling leaves are just piled around the tree. Got a screen the porch. Now in the back, the siding don't look very well. This paint needs to replace the rotting board. Also on this side, some of the trees get too close to the roof. Foundation is crawl space. See the crawl space hatches. It's open, it's not closed. Yeah, definitely this side, the siding needs more attention. You can see the board starts to lift up. Someone might have been here before. That's the insulation. You can see all the duct work. So I think we'd better get this closed. A lot of mosquitoes. Let's get out of here. You can tell there's a lot of soil erosion, and all the tree roots get exposed. Driveway looks decent. A few slab of concrete, looks new. Front has a covered porch. It feels very good. All right, we're in the house. Here it has the hardwood floor. To my left, traditional new layout. This is the living room. Look at the wall. It's probably being occupied by older people, maybe a smoker, or they just like to light candles. You can see all this the stains on the wall. It's from the smoke. It's pretty badly. So here we've got the different style of hardwood floor going into the dining area. The floor looks acceptable. Got a wallpaper coupled with stain. All the ceilings need to complete a new paint. I don't know what happens to these windows. Probably the thermal seal is breached. Got a lot of condensation and make this looks like a privacy glass. Now we're in the kitchen. Kitchen is wide open, got a lot of space. Original cabinets. Ceiling fan still works. Your basic electric stove. Here's the screen, the porch. Ceiling is not painted. The board starts to dry rot. Got a lot of wallpaper. So needs patience to take them off. Here's the laundry room. All the appliances are gone. Light doesn't work. That's the reason. Check out the garage. Decent space. However, what I found is the dryer vent is discharged right to the garage. That's a very interesting setup. Here you get the bonus shed. Let's see if we can find that light. Yeah, it has a bonus storage area. You can also open this up so that you can park larger sized vehicles. Here's the water heater tank, circuit breaker panel. Give you another view of the kitchen. Food pantry is pretty deep. All the shelvings is coated with grease as well. Storage area. This is the half bath on the first floor. Half bath is big enough that maybe you can convert this to a full bathroom. And a lot of wallpaper to remove. All right, check out the upper level. Hardwood floor on the stairs needs repair as well. Probably just rip them off and replace with new. Here's bedroom 1. Carpet's really dirty. I don't want to step into this room. Got a modern looking ceiling fan. Standard closet. Room size about 13 by 12. Needs new window. Shared bathroom facing right to the stairs. Original tile. The tile actually looks pretty nice. Vanity. Now the second floor doesn't have that much stain on the wallpaper. One piece top. This one ages well. Maybe you can clean the edges and make this look new. It needs to remove the wallpaper. Bedroom 2, feels smaller, 11 by 11. This carpet seems in a better condition. And this is the master bedroom. We got a bay window, lots of stain. Maybe this room was smoked before. Has a sign of water damage. You can see the paint starts to peel off the wall. Lots of stain. Here's a long hallway, walk-in closet, and this is the master bathroom. This one is updated with newer LVP floor, vanity, one-piece tub, newer toilet. So this room probably has the most updates in the entire house. And then there's a small scuttle to the attic. This area has water damage in the past. You can see the texture in the ceiling has different compared to the other areas. And the ceiling has fresh paint as well. So I suspect that's trying to cover the water stain. Drywall damage from this doorknob. This concludes the virtual tour of this colonial in Lawrenceville, Georgia. Again, the house itself doesn't look too bad outside. It has a lot of potential. It has a big lot, but needs tons of upgrade or renovation. It needs a new paint, new flooring, new kitchen, new bathroom, new light fixtures, and also you need to remove all those trees that are too close to the house, and also work on the backyard. So make sure when you make an offer, you add in all those renovation costs, and after the renovation, you still have some meat on the bone. Don't make yourself spend a lot of sweat equity and work for free.